Hello everyone. Wow, the Republicans can't even agree among themselves on a plan that's unacceptable to the Democrats to begin with. So the fiscal cliff talks seem to be going well, but now they've just been thrown into disarray and the markets have had to reassess their view completely. One indication of how the situation has changed is that the VIX index, a measure of how risky investors think the US stock market is now higher than its European counterpart, the VSTOXX index. That's a big turnaround when people think that the US market may be riskier and more volatile than Europe. Several of the recent trends in the FX market reversed along with this change in thinking. Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, and dollar yen all fell sharply. My assumption is that with the market winding down for the holidays now, traders won't be taking big positions and trying to push the market into new ranges at this point. I think we've seen the highs for the year in these currency pairs, and trading is likely to be quiet next week, especially if the world comes to an end today. Euro dollar is still above the trading range it was stuck in earlier in the month, but it looks unlikely to challenge the highs again for the time being. I'd expect to see the range trading above the new support level of 131.50, but below 132.70. The buy the rumor, sell the fact phenomenon in dollar yen continued yesterday, and dollar yen fell further, aided by risk aversion owing to the fiscal cliff problems. We don't think the yen's trend has changed permanently by any means, but of course with such a crowded trend, such a crowded trade, the correction could continue for some time. The RSI for dollar yen is only slightly below 70 now after 7 days in a row above that line, which suggests to me that the correction could go further. Putting these 2 points together, I would think that euro yen could move down further to around 110, the lows on Monday. After that, though, I'd expect to see it recover back towards the recent highs of 112. I think there could be some money made in playing that range in euro yen. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.